Hello and welcome everyone to Danny's Diecast. I'm Danny. And, yes, I could not share this day with Sam. Sam's in the house right now. Sam is right in my house. But I did want to share this guy with you. And look at him. Look at him. He is just a cool little llama. He's a cool little llama. Look at him right here. And a llama that I just want to take a sip out of. Llama, come here. Come here. Oh, gosh. And it's around 9:30. Around 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday, guys. Welcome. I want to send my welcome out to XLT Off-Road Bear. I want to send it out to Fex Death. I want to send it out to, I know I can't remember your name, but you know what I think? I think you have cool Hot Wheels, and I think you have just excellent taste in death metal and all the other things, Slayer, and everything in death metal. I want to thank the Ohio, whatever, I forget your name, but I just because I have your name right here in my head, and I forget it right now, but Ohio guy, yes, you are into Slayer, you're into Obituary, you're into all the different kinds of death metal, and I just want to say thank you to you, and I wanted to welcome you guys. Oh. Yes. Let's just zoom in here. Oh, wow. This is a 1966 C950 truck and a 1964 Ford Econoline truck. Wow, you know what? I got this thought in my head this past weekend. Why not? Why aren't I gonna give this away? Look at that Mr. Pibb truck. Look at that Mr. Pibb big truck. All from M2. And I'll just show you the logo right over here. Look at that M2. Look at that. And yes, I'm gonna send that to good old Mr. Andres Cruz, because I think he is a deserving collector of M2. So I think I'm going to send that right to you. Congratulations, Andres Cruz. Yes, you're a good friend of mine. You're a great friend who always just comes up and passes the buck on to everybody else. So this time I pass the buck on to you. And yes, SD Trucks from Greenlight. And they have a little look-see here this morning. A little look-see. They're from Waste Management. Yes, and that's what we're talking about today. Now, Andres Cruz, I want to give you a heads up. I cannot send these to you. Why? Because I want them. Because I love these trucks, and I would send them to you, Andres Cruz. I would send them to you, but I like these way too much, and now if I can just, yes, I like them so much that I can't even get them out of the package. Okay, come on. Yes, I'm just gonna have to tear you out of there. Oh, hold on. I'll get him out sooner or later. There he comes. Look at that. That is the 2020 Mack LR refuse truck. And this right over here, if I can just pull him out. And I know that took me a little bit of a time there to pull him out. And that's because I cannot mess with Greenlight. Oh, goodness. Look at you. Look at you. This is the 2020 Mack Granite dump truck. All from SD Trucks. This is Series 12. SD Truck Series 12 from Greenlight. You guys know how much I hold Greenlight in favor. Enough, and this is, I just wanted to show you this real quick. This is Series 12 SD Trucks from Greenlight. I'll show you the back. That's Series 12. And this is Series 12 right here. And I just wanted you to take a look. Take a look. This is, of course, waste management. Waste management from Series 12. Series 12 of SD Trucks. It's a functional loading arm. And wow, look at this. This guy's arm goes straight up in the air. I'll pull him down off of his base here. And I'll show you that he goes straight up. Look at that. Look at that. He is a Mack with the Bulldog right on the front there. Yes, yes, yes. And of course, he is a waste management truck. Yes, he is. Wow. Look at his door. Goes back open there in the back. Oh my goodness. I wanna just get in on this. And yes, he has a little bit of, oh goodness. He has a little bit of, which I will take this off later. As you guys know, I like doing everything. Well, it's almost off. He has a little bit of probably a sticker or just a wear and tear. And he is a waste management truck. What an and I'll show you again what he is. Yes. Oh, yes. I need to grab him out here. Yes. He is a 2020 Mack Granite dump truck. Look at that. Look at that beautiful waste management right there. And I told you guys this a couple weeks ago. I always wanted to get more waste management truck, and that's the thing. I have one from the other day, and I know I have many from up in my Carney case. I'll show you guys the ones I have up in my Carney case. I have 3 of them up there. And that is just an absolutely beautiful truck. Just a beautiful, in my opinion, and look at the mirrors. Look at the mirrors on that. What an exceptionally gorgeous. What a mammoth, first of all, a mammoth truck. But then again, what a gorgeous truck. Wow, and look at this here. This is the 2020 Mack LR refuse truck. Refuse truck, of course, it's from Series 12 from Greenlight. Greenlight right there. Oh my goodness. And yes, I'll spin him around and I'll show you the back. Look at this truck. It's a plastic base. I'll show you right over on him. It's a plastic base. Well, that's actually a metal base right there. A metal body, metal base. Now this, of course, is plastic. That is plastic right there. But look at the mirrors. Look at those mirrors. Now this whole thing right here, this is all plastic. That refuse bin. But now look at that. Look at that. I'll show you right here on the bottom. First of all, the serial number. Oh my goodness. Real rubber tires. This one, real rubber tires on him, all over the place. But look at that, look at that. WM, that stands for Waste Management. And now I need to show you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That thing right up on top is absolutely beautiful. The Waste Management 2020 Mack LR refuse truck. What an exception. Look at those mirrors. Look at them. I mean, I don't know about you guys. But I absolutely love mirrors. Look at that. Look at those mirrors on the side. All of them absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Andres Cruz, I'm going to send him to you. I don't know when I will be able to send him to you. I don't know. As soon as my wife gets off work, either today or tomorrow. Hello, little llama. Hello, perfect little llama. Guys, don't forget, I'm going to show you the little llama, and I'm going to take another sip of this cup. Oh, goodness. Wipe him off there for Andres Cruz. Don't forget, like Danny's Diecast. Share Danny's Diecast. Check him out. Check Danny's Diecast out on Instagram. Check Danny's Diecast out on Facebook. And don't forget, right here on YouTube, it's Danny's Diecast. And I will see you guys on Friday. You know what? Before I leave, yes, I'm going to take another delicious sip of him. Take care, little llama.